Все важно.
So the process of cooking the traditional Asian food called tofu has started. This is Matthews, aka Matthews Red from Zambia. So we're going to use this, we're going to use that, and this is a big pan. So it's going to be an interesting video how they prepare the Asian food called tofu. And this is our chef. And of course our guest, though we are all guests in this place. Now we have added cooking oil, spreading, making sure that everything is on point. Yeah. So this is a cooking video. Just watch attentively. Maybe you can also try this when you have time.
Now I'm adding a bit onion. It will be burned and then I'll throw it. I'm doing it for giving flour. Correct?
For flour.
Flour, yes.
Just look at everything. So you leave this onion to bend, then it's going to remove it. Just look at this process. So if you are new on this channel, this is typical village life here in the Russian village. Yes. We simply say YouTube narration, which means YouTube is God. Okay. Oh, now you can see it is almost bent. It has even changed the color. Just look at the color. It has stained black completely, almost.
Now I'm removing.
Okay.
Control.
Making sure that we remove everything.
Totally everything.
And this is one of the most delicious traditional food that you find. Why? Because it's cooked on fire. The food that is always cooked on fire is very delicious. I don't know why.
Now I'm putting
meat.
Today it's beef, but you can use any type of meat.
Just look at the process. It's quite an interesting process. Why is it very common here in Russia? We all know that Russia is one of the biggest or largest.
Потом Инстаграм кажется, девочки
Russia is one of the largest countries located in Europe and in Asia. Yes, so that's why you find that even you can find a lot of Asian food in Russia. Yes. sure you sear the meat. This is our main chef from Zambia.
I'm from Zambia.
Yes, and that is the friend and the brother. Yes.
Холостой.
Single Харастой.
Я тебе скажу, когда снимать. Пока ничего не видно.
Okay. At the moment, there is nothing that you can see because of the smoke that is coming from the
Wait.
pan.
Wait.
Yep. Or vapor.
Salt.
Okay.
Salt.
After adding the meat.
But we can't see anything because of vape.
How many minutes do you need to fry the meat?
I can't say, it's always different because of the power of fire.
So like maximum is how much? Like how many minutes? Maximum.
I can't say. You have to check. It will be like barbecue with a korochka. You see? It will be fried a bit, but not too much. If you will fry it too much, it will be hard. Look guys, meat is ready. Now I'm adding onion.
I think even through the screens you can see how delicious this food is going to be. And after adding onion, we wait a little bit.
Yes. Now I'm adding carrot. You have to cut it like this.
Why?
I don't know.
He just knows that you need to cut it like this, but he doesn't know why.
It's not matter, but everyone doing this.
It's now mixing. First you have to put cooking oil, onion, meat, carrots. Just look at how delicious it is looking. Yes. This is my first time of, witnessing someone cooking this Asian traditional food called broth in winter outside in -25. So it is not only the traditional food but where it is cooked and how it is cooked. Just take a little see. There is snow everywhere. It is not spring, it is still winter in -25 and everyone is just waiting for this food. So mostly they even use firewood to cook. This is the main source of energy in Russian villages in winter. Maybe not only in winter, even all year round, because there is a lot of forest and trees.
Нормально, потому что мы пьем чай. It's soft like this. I'm adding water. It's just cold water.
So we are cooking this traditional food outside in winter in -25. Yes. So for everything that we are doing, just to bring content, subscribe if you are new or like this video. Yes.
Now I'm putting.
Welcome. This is another recipe, another spice. Yes. Okay.
Coriander.
Next one. Another one. I don't even know the name of this thing, but
Zira.
wow. Going to throw it where? Looks like he's a professional chef for plof.
And then smoked paprika.
Oh, paprika. Red one. Then again salt. Because you've added water.
Yes.
Okay. So you need to balance up everything. Salt, water, they need to balance. Now mixing. Then after this you're going to add rice.
Now I will put here lid, and then it will be boiling 1 or 2 hours. But fire should be not too much, just a bit.
Okay. So now let's wait for the lid. He's going to get the lid. So just imagine we're going to wait for 2 hours. Probably we'll get inside. Yes. Covered like this, and that's everything that is put: meat, onion, carrots, salt, and we are going to leave it covered for 2 hours, 1 hour. Yes, so 2 hours, 1 hour, and the fire shouldn't be a lot, so wait for the outcome. We just come to check. 1 hour is already passed. It'll be 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours. Just adding fire. This is the process of cooking the famous Asian traditional food called plof in winter in -25.
Уже здесь мы готовим плов. Так, даже снимать.
So first they had to put rice in water so that it becomes soft. Now this is the final stage, huh?
Yes.
This is the final stage of cooking plof.
Before putting rice, we have to check the salt. It should be a bit a lot, because after putting rice, I've not put salt more.
Okay.
Его вот тоже поснимал.
So you can follow him as well on his channel. I will put the link or the name of his channel.
Там все аргончики нужны. Нету. Там вообще любой накс пойдет.
This
На
is
любой накс
typical
смотрят.
village life. Just imagine cooking outside
думают,
in -25. Can you do that?
имеет
If you
накс,
ever tried
может варить.
something
А
extreme,
там у них накс
leave a comment.
не действует, они по-своему аттестуют.
He's adding the spice again.
Same spices.
Same spices, okay.
And when we mixing, we have to mix only up or top, only rice. We are not mixing everything.
I just put it on top of rice.
Yes.
Okay. I think you can even see our food is almost ready. Yes, this is how it looks, and my feet, my fingers are freezing. Yeah, just to make this content so that you have an idea how people live in winter, the kind of life they lead. Just imagine cooking in minus 25 outside. Oh, my feet, my hands, everything. This is how it looks when it is fully prepared. It is ready, and this is what I wanted to show you, how they prepare this traditional Asian food outside in winter in minus 25 degrees. It was such a challenging video. Why do I say so? Because we had to stand outside in minus 25. Even my feet and my hands, they froze. That's what I can say. So guys, see you in my next video. Love from Russia.
С кем разговаривал? С казаном или с пловом?
С камерой. Guys, whenever I'm trying something new, I always get scared. I'm frightened, but I'm enjoying everything. Let's go and enjoy this moment because we only live once.
More. Туда, иди туда. Nice guy. How it feels?
Damn, it's going. You can even smell it. Now I feel much better. It's hot here.
It feels nice.
Yes, it feels nice. Massage on another level. So guys, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thank you very much. This is how I wanted to just show you the traditional sauna here in Russia called banya. Otherwise, thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Much love from Russia, Permsk Oblast, Oktyabrsk region.